10 best cheapest places to travel around the world. Hello viewers, welcome to One Cosmos, where we create videos discussing amazing travel facts and unbelievable destination locations. Join us on the ride around the world by subscribing to our channel. Please click the bell icon to get updates from us. The world is full of affordable destinations and it doesn't require much effort to find them. No matter what continent, there are always places you can visit on a budget. Even countries we think of as expensive are quite budget-friendly if you know certain tips and tricks. If you're looking to travel on a low budget and wondering where you should go, here are the 10 best and cheapest places to travel around the world. Number 1. Fiji. Most of us imagine Pacific Island destinations as expensive destinations filled with high-priced resorts, food, and services. However, that's not always the case. Fiji is actually relatively cheap to visit. Here, you can manage to enjoy pristine beaches, world-class diving, tasty seafood, and friendly locals without having to mortgage your home. Since Fiji is a stopover on Fiji Airlines, you'll find a lot of flight deals to the country. Many backpackers take advantage of that, and a small backpacker community has emerged. That means cheap guest houses, transportation, and activities, especially in the popular Yasawa Islands. Number 2. Central America. Want to roam ancient ruins, trek through the jungle, surf, and eat delicious food with few tourists around? Visit the smaller countries in Central America. Think El Salvador, Honduras, Nicaragua, and Guatemala. Here you will find most budget hotels for around $15 per night, meals for $3, most bus journeys for the same price, and beer for less than $1. If you visit the Central American countries, you can get by on $40 a day as a backpacker or splash up to $60 a day and live large. Your money goes really far in this part of the world. Number 3. Cambodia. While you could put all of Southeast Asia on the list, Cambodia is affordable, beautiful, and the locals are incredibly hospitable. You can get a private, air-conditioned room for $20 US, street food for $2, and transportation across the country for $20. If you are spending close to $50 a day, you are living large. It's way cheaper than all its neighbors, just as beautiful, and filled with some of the nicest people in the world. It's one of the cheapest backpacking destinations in the world. Number 4. China. China has fascinated travelers ever since Marco Polo traversed the Silk Road. While the days of China being a super cheap destination are long gone, the country remains a budget destination and one of the cheapest in Asia. But with a caveat, hostels cost less than $20 a day, food is $2 to $5 per meal, and local transportation in cities runs less than $1. Number 5. South Korea. South Korea is one of the greatest undiscovered travel destinations in the world. Its prices rival that of Southeast Asia. It's high-tech, the food is mind-blowing delicious and eclectic, the countryside is jaw-dropping beautiful, and the nightlife is out of this world. With the South Korean currency at 1,100 won per $1 and most everything costing only a few thousand won, it's hard to ruin your budget here. You can pick up bottles of beer in 7-Eleven for less than $1. Trains are cheap, everything here is cheap, plus it's fun and different. If you're looking for a budget trip to Asia, visit South Korea. There are lots of international flights to here. Number 6. India. While always a cheap country, the Indian rupee used to ride high at 39 rupees to the US dollar. Now, you get 73 rupees to the dollar. That's nearly 50% more money to travel with. Unless you book 5-star resorts and eat only Western meals, you'll find it hard to spend $50 a day here. You can get by on closer to $30 by staying in cheap guest houses, taking second-class trains, and avoiding Western food. India has a rich cultural history, top-class food, helpful and curious locals, incredible regional diversity, and great tea. It's a gigantic place best explored in either one large trip or a few smaller trips. Either way, budget travelers shouldn't miss India. Number 7. Eastern Europe. Far Eastern Europe, including Ukraine, Bulgaria, Romania, and Moldova, is the cheapest part of the continent. It's a sin most people don't visit this region more. Eastern Europe has the charm and beauty of the West without the high prices of hordes of tourists you'll find in Paris, Prague, or Barcelona. Number 8. Portugal. Not all Euro countries are created equal, and Portugal is one of the bargain countries in the region. It has beautiful beaches, exquisite wine selection, stunning cliffs, delicious food, jovial locals, and historic cities, all at bargain prices. Portugal has become a lot more popular and crowded in recent years. Once you get out of Lisbon, prices are still relatively cheap comparatively, even if the crowds are a bit larger these days. Number 9. Thailand. Thailand is incredible. With a tourist trail going back decades, Thailand is the heart of backpacking in Southeast Asia, and you can get by on between $25 to $30 a day, thanks to cheap guest houses, food, local buses, and attractions. If you spend all your time on the islands and inexpensive accommodation, expect to pay closer to $50 per day. However, even at the price, Thailand is still one of the most bargain destinations in the world and should not be skipped. Number 10. Australia. While an unlikely candidate to be listed on a cheap destinations list because it's known to be incredibly expensive, Australia can also be incredibly cheap if you know a few tricks. Thanks to a lot of work exchange opportunities, a well-worn budget backpacker trail, lots of couch surfing hosts, and cheap groceries, you can visit Australia on a budget. Additionally, Australia has become cheaper thanks to the 20% drop in the Australian dollar that has tempered that price increase and made Australia the most affordable it has been in years.